Hey guys, I am going to show you what the expectation is for math today. So what you're going to do first is you're going to go into your math class, into Bergman Math, and then you're going to click on this button right here. You have a link, and then the link will show you our choices. So remember, everybody has a login right here. So you're going to choose which one is yours. I'm going to log in as a sample student. That way I can show you exactly what you need to do. So I will log in and do my, whoopsies, my password. And remember, your password is the same as your Skyward one. So if you're not sure what that is, shoot me an email and I can send that to you. And then you should write it down and keep it in a safe spot so you know what it is in the future. What you're going to do today to begin with is you're going to start with this snowflake. And when the snowflake comes up, these are the choices that you have. So these are your homework assignments right now that are set up for you. So it'll say welcome and your name, and then this is your homework. If you don't see anything, then it's a mistake on my end. So nothing that you did, I just must not have assigned anything. What we started with today is we worked on schedules and times. There's activity 1.1 and 1.2. Then there's a third one that's 1.3. So notice all of these, if I have an activity that's written on your math Google Classroom, the activities are down here. So right down here, this where it says 23, in Google Classroom, it'll say lesson 23 on unique. So this is how we know what it is. So I'm just going to go through this with you so you know what to do. Sorry, it's loading. So this is just a reminder that this is a digital clock and an analog. We'll see these a lot on iPads or computers. Some of you might have a watch that has a digital clock, and then we also use analog clocks in our classrooms as well. So same thing, both clocks are going to tell you the minutes and the hours. So the hours right here are both in red, and the minutes are the same on both clocks. So the minutes are in blue. On an analog clock, you're going to want to remember that the small hand is the hour hand, and the long hand, the big hand, is the minutes. So this will just be a little refresher for you for the first couple slides. Reminder that you need to find the hour hand first, and then the minutes. And then when you count minutes, remember each number is 5, so we can count by 5s all the way around. All right. You might have two different things on your lesson activity. It might look like this, or it might look a little bit different. If you have one that looks like this, you can have this read
At
aloud to you.
8:30 in the
Sorry,
morning,
really loud.
Randy gets in the car to leave for his first day of school. Choose the clock that shows the time.
So even on your app or on your website, you're able to click on this and it can read to you. If you want to read it yourself, that's totally fine too. If you have a big rectangle like this, you can click on it and it'll show you 3 options. So it says at 8:30 in the morning. So what you're going to do if it looks like this is you're going to drag and drop it in there. Okay. If it looks a little bit different, you might have to type it in yourself. This one says at 9 o'clock. Again, I'm going to click on this rectangle, choose 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock a.m.
And I want it, so if I click on it, it's going to remind me of what the time is, and then I'm going to slide it in there. So this one will be the same thing. So if it says it's at 3:30, you're going to click on this, find 3:30, and then drag and drop it in there. When you are finished, there is a spot up here that says done. Do not click the done button. What you want to do is click this globe, and then it'll get you back to our home page. So you're going to click on the globe, click on home.
There's more to do. I am done.
There's more to do. I know that, but I want to show you what to do. So when you're completed,
Keep working.
Sorry, I'm going to make it say keep working for just a second. You're going to go all the way to
There's
the end.
more to do. I am done. Keep working.
Yikes, I'm sorry. When you, down here, when there aren't any more, you can't click over anymore. So that's going to show you that you're all done.
I am done. Keep working. I am done.
And we're just going to say I am done for right now. Sorry, that was really repetitive. Okay, so when you're finished with that one, you can go into schedules and times. It's going to look like this. The 1.2, again, this is still the same lesson. It is still lesson 23. You're going to read this or have it read it aloud to you. And it says Brent is looking at his school schedule. School starts at 9 a.m. So what I remember is that a.m. is morning. So this one I just have to click on.
Morning.
Okay, and notice that the clock is empty. So what you're going to do is use your little marker and you can draw this in. Oh, sorry. You can draw it so that it says 9 o'clock. Okay, it might be a little bit challenging to draw on it because the marker sometimes shows up really thick.
Morning.
Okay, and then you'll go through each one like this. Again, read it, and you have to decide if this time that they're saying is morning, afternoon, or evening. And then when this is completed, your assignment is done. Again, go back to the globe. Don't go back to, or don't click done. If you click done, you will need to log in again, which I don't think you're going to want to do. So click on the globe and click the home button. There's one more piece of this activity, and it looks like this. Activity 2.1. Again, these are all activity or lesson number 23. See, they're all in the corner, 23 and 23. So when you click on this one, it is going to pop up and you're gonna have to type the answers in here. When you're finished, click on this one. It's gonna tell me there's more to do probably. Oh, no. And then when you're finished with these, you can be done for the day, or another option is clicking up here on the unique and going into these skills. Remember, these are the games that can be assigned to you. I don't have any because I'm just a sample student, but each of you have assignments and games on here that you can play by yourself, and it'll log all of those for me so I'll know what you're doing. All right, I hope this helps. I will see you soon. Bye.